We recognise that the dental practice of today has become overloaded with administrative burden, and the software is something that needs to remove that burden from the practice so that they can do what they do best. We want to focus on facilitating stress-free dentistry. We think that's a really important step that we can help with. And ultimately, our vision for Dentally is simply that we build the software that allows practices to achieve their vision, which is to provide great dental care for their patients. So Dentally Pulse is the intelligent layer that sits beneath Dentally. It's the heartbeat of the practice. It's a layer of intelligence that understands the context of what's going on in a practice and how to optimize that, how to automate some of those everyday tasks away so the practice doesn't have to focus on them, and allow them, the people in the practice, be that the dentist or the reception, to really just focus on the patient. So the first instance of Dentally Pulse is in our enhanced AI clinical notes. So we already have AI notes in the product, but this is going to record the entire appointment and use that recording to create the notes on behalf of the dentist, so that they don't need to spend their time after the appointment doing so. Because we've seen that they spend hours every evening going through the notes from the appointments they've had that day and writing them up. And we want to take that away, allow them to get back to their families. So by recording the appointment as it happens, then there's no need to do that anymore. Dentally Pulse and the AI clinical notes will just write that for them. We're not looking to remove people from the workflows, we're just looking to help them be more efficient in the jobs that they need to do. So for example, that might be the dentist writing their notes. Now that it's going to be recorded from the appointment and generated automatically, they still need to approve those notes at the end of once it's been created. So they still need to give their clinical judgment as to whether it's been captured accurately. The willingness to adopt AI should be in the control of the practice. So whether that means they take full control, they want to have eyes on everything that happens, or they just want the oversight to make sure nothing is being done that it shouldn't do, we want to give absolute control to the practice because we believe that it's their practice and so it should be their judgment. We really want to develop Dentally Pulse with our customers, with dental practices that we're there to serve. We want people to be involved and help us shape it. And they can join our beta programs and give us feedback as we go along the journey. And to do so, they just need to go to dentally.com/dentallypulse, where they'll be able to read more information and then sign up if they'd like to be part of this journey. Dentally Pulse will continue to expand throughout 2026, and we want practices to become a part of shaping what comes next.